I just made this super festive tin can tree decoration with some pine board, a small tree log, some lights, and obviously a ton of tin cans. Let me show you how. I worked out the exact angles, lengths, and can sizes already, so if you want to build one of these yourself, grab my free template from the comments. The only sketchy part of the build is cutting the extreme angles on the miter saw, but you can also use a Japanese pull saw. I pre-stained my boards green. With the boards cut, we'll test fit our cans and screw the frame together. We then need to cut the holes in the cans. A step drill bit or a hole saw will do nicely. Next, screw your log to the bottom of the tree frame, then fire up your hot glue gun. We'll glue the cans in from the back, lifting cans up, adding glue, and then nestling them back down. We'll then add a socket to each can until it resembles Homer's back fat. Finally, lights, the best part. I'm using a brand of LED bulbs called True Tone that look just like the incandescents of yesteryear, and they really are the perfect look for this type of retro project. If you don't want the ribbed appearance of the cans visible, you can also use a thin sheet of plastic or parchment to diffuse the light. I love the look of both, but slightly prefer it without. Which do you like best?